In this video, we are going to talk about a tool that can change the way you do your research. Are you tired of endlessly scrolling to find what people are talking about online? What if I told you there's a secret weapon to help you with that? We will explore Gummysearch and what it can do for your business. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. Gummysearch is a powerful tool designed to help you understand your audience on Reddit. Imagine having the ability to listen to what millions of people are talking about. This tool helps you find out what problems people have so you can create products they need. You can use it to find new business ideas and see if your current ideas are good. It's like having a superpower for market research. You can also find customers for your products by finding people who are already talking about the problems you solve. Are you struggling to create content? Gummysearch helps you find topics that people are interested in, so you can create content that people want to read. It's a great way to stay ahead of the competition. You can see what people are saying about your competitors and learn from their mistakes. Ready to dive deeper? First, let's take a look at its top features. First up is community discovery. Finding the right online communities can be like finding a needle in a haystack. But what if it could be easier? Gummysearch makes it easy to find the right communities for your business. With over 130,000 active subreddits, you can find your target audience no matter how niche. You can find communities that are growing quickly so you can get in on the conversation early. This feature is great for finding new markets that you might not have thought of before. Imagine the possibilities. You can also see which communities are the most active so you can focus your efforts where they will have the most impact. It's all about working smarter, not harder. This feature alone can save you hours of research time. Isn't that amazing? Next, we have conversation insights. Reading through every post in a subreddit is impossible. But what if you could get the important information without all the reading? Gummysearch does just that. It shows you the most important conversations so you can quickly understand what people are talking about. You can find out what problems people are having and what solutions they are looking for. This is a goldmine of information for any business. You can use this information to create product that people will love. It also helps you understand the language your customers use. This will help you write better marketing copy. Think about how powerful that is. You can join the conversation and offer your solutions. This is how you build a loyal following. Third on our list is social listening. Do you know what people are saying about your brand online? You should. Gummysearch helps you listen to conversations about your business. You can get notified when someone mentions your brand, your products, or your competitors. This allows you to respond quickly and manage your online reputation. But it gets better. You can also use this feature to find new customers. When someone is talking about a problem that your product solves, you can jump in and help. This is a great way to get new leads. It's like having a personal assistant that is always listening for you. You will never miss an important conversation again. This is a game changer for any business. They also have AI-powered insights. We all want to save time, right? This feature uses artificial intelligence to find patterns in conversations. This means you can get valuable insights without having to do all the work yourself. The AI can help you understand the main topics of discussion in a community. It can also help you find new content ideas. What if you could know what content will be popular before you create it? This is what AI-powered insights can do for you. It takes the guesswork out of content creation. You can create content that you know people will be interested in. This will help you grow your audience and your business. It's like having a data scientist on your side. Finally, let's talk about advanced search. Sometimes you need to be very specific with your research. This feature lets you search all of Reddit or target specific audiences. You can filter your search results to find exactly what you are looking for. This is great for when you are doing in depth research. You can find very specific information about your customers' needs. The search results are also visualized, which makes them so easy to understand. You can see the trends and patterns in the data. This will help you make better business decisions. What if you could see what your customers are thinking? Advanced search gives you that power. It's a powerful tool for anyone who is serious about audience research. Now, let's talk about the downside. No tool is perfect, and Gummysearch is no exception. The main disadvantage of Gummysearch is that it only focuses on Reddit. While Reddit is a huge platform with millions of users, it's not the only place where your customers are. If your target audience is not on Reddit, then this tool might not be for you. You might need to use other tools to get a complete picture of your audience. Also, for beginners, the amount of information can be overwhelming. It takes some time to learn how to use the tool effectively. You need to be patient and willing to learn. But is this a deal breaker? For many, the value it provides on Reddit outweighs this limitation. So, how much does this powerful tool cost? Gummysearch has 4 different pricing plans, so you can choose the one that is right for you. The free plan is a great way to get started and see what the tool can do. The starter plan is $29 per month and is great for startups and individuals. The Pro plan, which is the most popular, is $59 per month. It offers advanced features like AI insights and content discovery. For larger teams and agencies, there is the Mega plan at $199 per month. And here's a tip. You can save 33% if you choose to pay for a full year. So there's a plan for every budget. This tool is perfect for startup founders who need to validate their ideas and find their first customers. If you are a software entrepreneur, you can use it to find real problems that you can solve. Marketers and content creators will love how it helps find them new content ideas and to do market research. It's also great for small teams who need to get a lot done with a small budget. The pricing plans are designed to grow with your business. If you are a customer research firm or a startup studio, the Mega plan has everything you need. Essentially, if your audience is on Reddit, this tool is for you. Overall, Gummysearch is an amazing tool for anyone who wants to understand their audience on Reddit. It can help you find new business ideas, validate your products, and find new customers. It saves you time and gives you valuable insights that you can use to grow your business. If you are serious about audience research, then you should definitely give Gummysearch a try. Ready to check it out? I have included a link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.